dirty waters. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Go ahead and get ready to do a wig, but like a natural wig. The wig we're gonna be working with is Yolissa Hair today. This is 22 inches, 180 density. Usually I see the girlies do like the natural, like small curls, like the real small curls. This is like more like a wave. So she does have 4 combs up here. She does have an elastic band for the back, so it is tight on the back of that head. We're gonna cut this right here. We're gonna literally put this as close as we can to our middle part, and we're gonna finesse. So these combs are gonna be on the top of where the part is at. So we're definitely gonna need them to be nice and secure, and then we're gonna close the clips you know, at the part. You guys will see me do that in just a second, but I just wanted to make sure y'all know where the clips were gonna like go exactly. So it's 2 clips on each side of the part. I'm working on the one in the back. So there's one right there, and then there's one in the front. So it's literally on. This was so super simple, but what we're gonna do is try to hide this leave out going on right. Curl pattern is cute. Yeah. Okay, so after I finesse this part, we're gonna style it. So let's finesse the leave out first. So we don't have any leave out here. So what we're gonna do is basically go underneath my hair. We're gonna take like a piece of the wig hair, crochet into the loop, and like pull it over. So yeah, y'all, I just sped that part up. You're literally just taking your crochet needle, taking like the, you know, the top or the near the tracks of the wig. You're just like taking the hair and pulling it through the root of my hair, and that's all. Really, it's very simple. It's weird to explain, but as y'all can see what I'm doing, and I just did it to my desire, like to my liking. If I needed to pull a little more, a little less, you know. So I just did as many hairs as I needed to. I did it around the back as well. We're basically trying to make the illusion that we don't have any tracks. We don't want any tracks to be showing for our part. We want to finesse and make sure that we use the wig hair to go underneath our hair and crochet that back onto the wig so that it just looks seamless. Almost just looks like an illusion, really, because you can tell it's not obviously seamless, but it does look like, you know, low-key unclockable, like, what did she really do to this part? So that's what you guys are going to want to do. One side for me was just a little bit too long, so I just went ahead and like yeah, cut that piece off just because I didn't want it that long in the front. But yeah, customize this wig to your liking. It's fairly easy, and this will be perfect for the summertime. No glue, no leave out, no frontal. Like, this wig is perfect if you need a low manipulation hairstyle. So now that she's on and the leave out is looking unclockable, let's style her. I really want to do like some layers for her, just because I don't want her to be just all one length. I want to give her like some layers. Let me back up so y'all can see. Yeah, let's just do a little bit of layers, nothing crazy. Now that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, maybe a little bit on this side. Okay, a little bit more layers. One right here. Yep. just because I feel like when it's one whole length, it just looks so dull, boring, basic, average. I don't want that. I want it to look like it has some, yeah. Oh gosh, yes. Lord, yes. And let's do one more section, but not like the last section. Let's just do one more section, like real down low, like down here. Yeah. Really small, really small. Let's see over here. Really small, nothing too big. Put that back there. Oh, okay. Yeah. Better, better, better. Yeah, I like that better. Okay. Not too much on the leave out though, just like at the ends. Oh yeah. She hydrates very well. I love doing like a wet look. I might have to do this tomorrow. Yeah. This is probably gonna be my hairstyle for tomorrow. And this really didn't take me long to do, so. Okay, look at her wet. Cute. Yeah. Okay. Wet. Ooh, the wet is eating. Oh God. Let me just wet the whole thing. Let's put some mousse in her. I'm gonna use the Lotta Body hair mousse just because I don't want to use just like, there's different types of mousses, y'all. Like there's curling mousse, there's wrapping mousse, there's foaming mousse, there's braid mousse. Like there's all different types of mousses. You have to use the mousse for the occasion. Perfect. This mousse is like not gonna make it crunchy or anything, so this is the perfect mousse. And I feel like if you want to keep the wet look, you do have to add like a little bit of gel to it. Why? I don't know. You just do. Okay, cute. Yes. She's cute. Leave out still look okay? Yes. Okay. That was super easy. Should I put a little bit more layers? Should I leave it? Let me show y'all the back. So spoiled, so I'm the one that need a break. Like you ain't stay in my place, but you the one who came on late. I ain't loyal. That's you, yeah, that's you, that's you, yeah, that's you. I think that's it for this video, y'all. There's nothing more to show because that was so super easy. So yeah. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, babes.